Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Khan and I am from grade 4. Today my topic is the solar system. The main objective of this project is to be about the solar system and understand the position and features of the each planet. This project can help us to know about planets revolve around the sun. It helps the importance of gravity. Why just Earth is only planet to support life and because of oxygen. It helps also develop creativity and learning by making a model using thermocol, plastic balls, paper and colors.
Germany, Japan, and Singapore use modern technology to clean and recycle water. They have a large water treatment plant that provides clean water to their cities. These countries focus on their filtration to save water and keep their people healthy. Thank you. First, I prepared the glasses by making a hole on it and then attach the straw at the bottom so the water could come out after filtration. First, I poured the small stones, then coal, sand, and cotton. The small stones and coal remove the big dirt particles, sand remove the small particles, and cotton remove the bad smell. And now, how it will done? My name is Sukana from grade 3. My project is about fire reactor. When a fire reactor is a safety device that helps us know when there is fire or smoke. It is very important because it helps us know when.
My name is Hassan Ali from class 5 and my project is the heart. The mammalian heart has 4 chambers. The upper one is called atria. The below one is called the right side of the heart is completely
Cable controller. Solar panels are used to save electrical appliances. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Kabir and I am from grade 2. My topic is cause of deforestation. Deforestation means people cut trees for wood. Trees are cut to make farm. Trees are cut to make paper. Thank you.
My topic is forestation. Forestation means planting trees. Trees give us food, oxygen and shade. Trees help animals and birds. Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting trees. Cutting trees are bad for earth. Air becomes dirty. Thank you. My name is class 2 student. My topic is solution. Plant more trees. Do not cut trees. Save paper. Protect forest and animals. Thank you. Today I will tell you disadvantages of deforestation. Animals lose their home. Trees are our friends. They give us oxygen, fruits and shade. When we cut them down, we lose all their benefits. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fabia and I am from grade 2 student and my project name is Effect of Deforestation. Lakes, clean air become unhealthy. Animals have no home. Water becomes hot. Dheeraj Nair, I am from class 1. My project is summer season. Summer is the hottest season of the year.
इस तरह के इवेंट्स स्कूल्स में होते रहेंगे।